All right, let's go ahead and just play. Hey guys, my name is Joseph Salter. I'm going to teach you a quick lesson on how to play Filter. Where do we go from here? Classic song from the 90s that we all know and love. If you don't, check it out. It's a great song, great band. I'll just play it and then I'll talk about it. So anyway, it starts off with the B power chord. It's in drop D tuning. Not familiar with drop D? It's D A D G B E. So you just trim the first lowest string down, false step to D. So it's going to be B over to the open D, and I just play with like a sus, so it's just these two fingers on the G and the B string. And it's going to be a G chord, since we're in drop D, over to an E chord. Does this cool little like pre-chorus thing where it's just a half step down. So it goes, sorry, I guess I'll do the full chord. Kind of sounds dissonant, but so here you would play all the open strings. It sounds kind of off. So I would just hit the top four. Back to that open. To fret 10. That's C. Which is B flat, so it just goes to B flat. B flat to open D to C. cool song. Love it. Hope that helped. And let me know what songs you want to learn next. Simple, easy acoustic stuff that you can sing around the fire and have some fun. Peace and love. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. It really helps. I'm in transition from job searching, so I figure might as well try this out. Hopefully it works. Love you. Thank you. Bye.